Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome to this little look of the intellect, a soft place to land, a quiet corner made just for you. So this morning we have an energy and motivation affirmations video to boost your focus, confidence and positivity anytime. So no matter where you are right now or what time of day it is, this moment is yours. You deserve to feel energized, motivated, and ready to create the life you want. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to step fully into your power. This is your time to reset, recharge, and fill yourself with positivity and unstoppable energy. So whatever your day looks like, whether you're standing, sitting, you can listen to these affirmations anywhere. Know that you have the ability to choose your focus, your energy, and your actions. Let these words flow gently over you, settling softly in your mind. Just allow yourself to receive these words. So let's take another slow breath in, and let's begin this journey together, and let your energy guide your day. Let's begin. This is my morning, my energy, my choice. I welcome the flow of positive energy into my day. I choose how I show up today. I release any need for perfection and I embrace progress. I am grounded in my decisions and energy. I feel motivated to make meaningful choices. I'm inspired by possibilities. I honor the energy I need today. I create my day through the energy I carry. I'm in charge of my focus and my attention. I am energized by my intention. I radiate energy, focus, and positivity wherever I go. My energy fuels my actions and inspires those around me. I step into my day with power, purpose, and passion. Every choice I make today is filled with clarity and strength. I am unstoppable when I align with my energy and my goals. My mind is sharp, my heart is open, and my energy is limitless. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow stronger. I am fully awake, alive, and ready to take action. I create momentum by staying focused on what truly matters. I move through my day with unstoppable drive. I attract opportunities that match my energy and ambition. I am bold, I am confident, I am unstoppable. My energy is magnetic and my focus is unshakable. I see endless possibilities and embrace them with excitement. Today is full of opportunities and I claim them all. I choose to shine, thrive, and inspire others. Take a slow, nourishing breath in and let it drift out softly. Take a moment to feel the energy you've created during this practice. Notice how your focus is sharper, your motivation stronger, and your spirit lighter. This energy is yours to carry into the rest of your day, no matter where you go or what you do. Every positive word we say out loud, no matter what that positive word is, we say it with intention and purpose. It gives us energy, unstoppable positive energy, and energy that we create to, in the end, create the life that we want. I'd love to hear from you, to take a moment to share in the comments one way you're going to bring this energy into your day. Your experience might inspire somebody else who needs it. Thank you for giving yourself this time today. Keep your energy high, your focus clear, and your heart open. You are powerful, you are motivated, and you are ready.